Horses out of Salinas. Fast to begin. Moving up on the outside now. Suburban. Racing in third. My Little Grace. Chonange. Punchline down on the inside. Pipa. Then followed by Morning. Nasera alongside Daydreamer. Winning Hand and Green Diamond trails the field by about 14 to 15 lengths off the pace. Meanwhile, we have Salinas and Suburban fighting out for the lead. Chonange now moving up to take third, running by the report comes Punchline. My Little Grace in fifth, then comes Morning Nazara. Then next on line, Winning Hand, Daydreamer. And too far behind this Green Diamond, we've got Salinas by about 3/4 Balenga. And on the outside is Chonange. Punchline now finds an opening down on the inside. Suburban dress back in for, then followed by My Little Grace. Salinas moving up now is Punchline to take the lead. Punchline this time by about 3/4 Balenga. Salinas dress back in second. Chonange in third. And comes Suburban Winning Hand. As they come down at the last 150. Punchline now strides away by about 2 lengths. Salinas in second. Chonange, Suburban last 100 meters. Punchline now racing away by about 5 lengths. And finally, Punchline second. Salinas, Chonange. Then comes Suburban. Close between Winning Hand, My Little Grace for your Pentapecta.
1, 6, 5, 7.
Yun. Tapos close nga.